Let's make some easy miniature books. I start by cutting 2 equally sized pieces of paperboard, and then one thinner one that's the same height. I line them all up next to each other on a small piece of paper, with a thin one in the middle. Cut off the corners at an angle, and cut triangles in between the small gaps. Glue down all the paper tabs. I cut 2 small rectangles and glue them on the sides. I cut thin strips that are a little shorter than the height of the book. I fold it to the width of the front cover to make 1 page. I make a bunch more pages. Once there's enough to fit on the thin piece in the middle, line them up at the folded edge, and put glue along the edge. Put the glued edge against the back of the thin piece on the inside. Once it's dry, you have a book with opening pages. If you want to, you can print out words for inside of the book. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. See you next time!
Magna doesn't need this comic book. XT4. Oh, it's Magna's? Go ahead.